To add drawers, let's start by navigating through Add Product, Base, Base Drawer Cabinets, and Base Drawers 3, which is a 3-drawer base unit. Just as with other base units, here you would add the dimensions and specifications you need. Onto the actual drawers themselves. We can see that we've got all of our margins that we can set for our drawers, and by default we can see that these 3 drawers have been spaced evenly. However, we have the ability to set these to whatever we desire by changing the style from auto height to fixed height. For example, simply changing the top drawer to 150 will turn this drawer into a cutlery drawer, but it will now also change the other drawer's height to be spaced out automatically, whilst also changing the drawer runner for our top drawer to be a more appropriate fit. Now that this is done, we can save the product and we'll see that it has been factored into the current products in the cart and has updated the total cost of the job. To extend on this, what we're going to do now is make a duplicate of this product by clicking the copy icon. But we're going to add some notes and call this a cutlery drawer. We'll also set supply hardware and click Save Product. Now you'll note that our product has been added with its changed name, and also the price has been updated as this cabinet now comes with the drawer hardware included, whereas the original was for the supply of just the cut, edged and drilled panels only.